Hamwe na atengeri aria makanyita itemi thiini wa ikereka ria 44 ria mahenya ma ngogoda ya ma Berlin ni muhotani wa mahenya maya mwaka wa 2013 Wilson Kipsang ariwe mutengeri wa mumwe wina rekodi ya gutengera thiwa ihinda ria mathaa meri na sekondi nyamaita mana.
I want to really say that the course is very nice, and this year we have got a very strong focus. We are very strong, 3 strong athletes who have the potential to break the world record.
Mukenya ugiuga kuro mahenya maya ni Eliud Kipchoge uria wehitete na kuga ni hariirie gukariki ihenya riri rungu rwa ihinda ria mathaa meri. Agakorwo agitungana na mutengeri ungi Abel Kirui uria wiriga kuhota mahenya mathi ma mwaka wa 2012 muci wa London.
I think for them is to run smart. Of course I know they will run smart, and whoever wins we shall celebrate him. That is my wish.
Mwena wa Nyarari mutengeri Mary Keitany agakorwo akingethanira na Gladys Cherono hamwe na mutengeri wa bururi turigaine wa Ethiopia Aberu Kebede uria wahotire ihenya riri mwaka muhituku.
It will be easier if they will cooperate.
Na ona thengia ya Akenya gutungio ungethaniri munene mahenya-ini maya ni atengeri a Ethiopia. Akenya mari na miaki ni makayukio hotani mahenya-ini maya.
Really starting to put the hammer down now. This is what you were talking.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.